Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. Today, we're reading out of Psalm 16, verse 8 and 9. I have set the Lord continually before me, because he is at my right hand, and I shall not be moved. Therefore my heart is glad, and my glory, my inner self rejoices. My body too shall rest, and confidently dwell in safety. What David actually comes here and tells us that he never took his eyes off Jesus. He said, the Lord is continually at his right hand. So he walked in the knowing presence of the Lord all the time. And just see what the response is of what happens when God is in the knowing presence, walking with you. He says, my heart is always glad. My glory inside of me rejoices. And my body too shall rest and confidently dwell in safety. And this is something that we need to really get like a spiritual fitness for, is to walk and to live in the knowing presence of God. Our lives will be radically changed, because if you know God is walking with you and you're in that knowing presence, that it's a reality, that you will have so much peace and rest. You'll be in that seat of authority and victory all the time. And that's literally nothing that can move you off the throne then, as long as your eyes are just fixed on him. And in this time and season where there are so many things happening out there in the world, where the world is in chaos, we need to walk like this. And that is that we also need to make sure that he is our first love, so that our gaze stay constantly towards him, and that we are constantly in touch with him, so that we're in the seat of authority, in peace and rest and rejoicing, releasing his glory, because glory changes the atmosphere. Glory removes darkness. Glory is the overpowering love and extravagance of Yahweh, his burning fire, his consuming fire. And in that presence and peace of him, that is the authority and power. And that's where your kingship and your rulership comes from. And it's so important what we behold with our eyes, we become. That's why David kept his eyes on God, so that he can step into the authority and power and peace and rest and rule and reign out of a victorious position. Let's be that. Let's example it, and let's live it. I bless you in the name of Jesus Christ.